Use your selection tool to select everything on the orange label artboard. And we're going to add that to our symbols. New symbol called Label Done. It's still going to be a dynamic symbol, and it's going to be the center registration, and say OK to it. There's the new symbol. Open the options and choose Save Symbol Library. Again, put this in your WIP juice folder and name this Juicy Symbols, and click Save. You can then open Symbol Library, Other Library, and if you go to your folder and open that, it's going to open up in the panel, and you're going to be able to see all of the same symbols. Save your file and close it. Whether we can complete this is going to depend on whether we can install the mock-up beta program into our computer lab. If you're renting your own software, you should be able to install this on your own computer. We're going to open this file called Bottle AI. It's in your folder. Let's move this to the center so that you can actually see what you're working with. We can collapse some of these files. You should have your symbols still staying open. We're going to grab the Label Done symbol and drag that onto the artboard. Just to make it easier, I'm going to try to position it a little bit closer to where I want it on the bottle. Then shift-click to select both objects, and we're going to go to Object, Mockup Beta, Make. I've already loaded this on my machine, so it's going quite well. If you're using your own machine and having to install it, you'll get an installation that you need to check OK on, and it'll work just fine. Here is our mock-up, and we're going to adjust the placement on this. Now you can make some other changes, but all we really need to do is take this and drag this down so that it gets positioned a little bit better on our bottle. We can drag this left so that we can position it more accurately. I may have dragged that too far. Let me see if I can get that back. There we go. So it doesn't take much to move that, but as you can see, it's rotating around the bottle. We want to be able to see most of that. You do have adjustments on here that we're really not going to mess with. You can adjust the height as well as the width. We just really want to see this placed on the bottle. If you can get to this point, then you can save this and submit this. It'll be bottle with your initials so that you can turn it in.